Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to turn off Snapchat read receipts. So let's get started. So if you want to turn off your Snapchat read receipts, which means you are reading a message from a person and that person shouldn't be notified that you are reading that person's message. Now, so to do that, what you have to do is just simply open up your Snapchat application, and after opening up your Snapchat application, just simply tap on the chat icon which is on the bottom of your screen. After tapping on that, now what you have to do is just simply turn on your airplane mode. After turning on your airplane mode, just make sure that you have turned off your Wi-Fi if you are connected to one. And after doing that, now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then view someone's message from here. And after viewing their message, what you can do is just simply come back, and after coming back, just simply remove the Snapchat application from background, and now you can just simply go ahead and then turn on your airplane mode and then turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And after doing that, now you have successfully read the message and they will not be notified that you have read the message. So that's it guys, this is how to turn off Snapchat read receipts. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.